Hello everyone, I am Arpit Kumar Sharma and welcome back to Pably. So today I am going to tell you how you can save teamwork messages to Google Sheets and then send them to Slack automatically. Now you must have seen this title so you know what we are going to do. Now Teamwork is a project management software. Google Sheet is the favorite spreadsheet program of many people in this world, and Slack is a channel where you can make your team and then you can send messages to all of them together on a particular channel. So what we are going to do here first, we are going to have a new message in our teamwork account in a particular project. From there, that message will automatically go into our Google Sheets and will get saved in our Google Sheets, as well as from here automatically it will go to our Slack channel as well, where our team can easily see those messages and can work upon it. Okay. Now, to do this automation, we are going to use an integration and automation service, Pably Connect, which will help us connect Teamwork, Google Sheets, and Slack together. Now, if you want to learn how to do this automation, you have to come with me to the screen. And we are back at our screen. So what we have to do, we have to go to the address bar and type in PABBLY pably.com/connect, and then we will press enter. And as soon as we will do that, you will see that we will be redirected to this page here. And here you can see we have two options. Either we can sign in or we can sign up. Signing in is very easy. If you already have an account, you have to go for sign in. If you do not have an account, you have to go for sign up. Now signing up only takes 2 minutes, and it will also give you 100 free tasks every month from our side. So go and sign up now. I already have an account, so I will just go for sign in. And here you can see I have this ID. I will just go for login. And after that, you can see here, these are my softwares. Here, I am going to click on access now for Pably Connect. Now it is taking some time to open. You can see these are all the automations I have in my Pably Connect account. Now what I am going to do, I am just going to click on create workflow to create a new workflow. And now here I am going to give my workflow a name. So what we are connecting teamwork to Google Sheets to Slack. Okay. So we are going to give it this name. You can name it whatever you want to. I am connecting these applications, and that is why I am giving it this name. I will click on create after this. And then you can see here we have two windows. First one is trigger and second one is action. Now trigger window is the window where an event is happening at the start of the process. Action window is the window where an event is happening at the end of the process or when the final event is happening. So trigger means when this happens. Action means do this. Now what is happening in our trigger? We are sending a message in a teamwork account. So we are just going to select teamwork. And then we are going to go for a new message. So let me just see where is new message. So here is new message. So now you can see here we have the option of webhook URL. Now this webhook URL will help us connect our teamwork account to our Pably Connect account. Now what we are going to do, we are going to follow these instructions here. So you can just read them later on. I am just going to show you how it's done. So copy this webhook URL, go back to your teamwork account, select settings. After going to settings, you have to select webhooks. After going to webhooks, you have to go for add webhook. So you can see here, I have already two webhooks active here. First one is this and second one is this. Both are active. I am just going to delete this one because this one is the same as my last one, which is message created. So I'll again go for add webhook, and here I will give it the action message created because we are creating a message. And then what we are going to do, we are just going to copy this webhook URL from here and paste it here. We are going to keep these fields as it is. We are not going to change it. And then we will click on add webhook. So you can see a new webhook has been added, message created, and this is now active. Now you can see that our Pably Connect account is now connected to our teamwork account. Now what we have to do, we have to go to everything, And after going to everything, you can see this plus icon here. Click on this and then click on message. Now you can see I have two projects here. First one is Pabbly Connect and second one is Pabbly subscription billing. So I am choosing Pabbly Connect and I am going to send message to this Pabbly Connect channel, or I should say this Pabbly Connect project for now. So I am going to write more action events, and here I am going to write we need more action events in our Google Sheets. Kindly look at it ASAP. Okay, so this is my message which is going to my project Pabbly Connect. So we need more action events in our Google Sheets. Kindly look at it as soon as possible. Now what I am going to do, as soon as I will click on post message, we will have a webhook response here in our Pabbly Connect account. So let's just go and click on post message. Okay, and here when we will go back, you can see event creator is Hardik, last name is Pabbly. This is the body of the message. Wait a minute, let me see. This is the body of the message. We need more action events in our Google Sheets. Kindly look at it as soon as possible. And this is our message post ID and this is our message subject, more action events, or you can say our message title. Okay. Now what we are going to do, we are going to first remove these HTML tags from here because we want to use this body in our next action event. So first we will go here and use another great feature by Pabbly, which is data transformer. And here I will go for strip HTML tags. Now we will click on connect, and here we are going to use a technique which is called mapping. Mapping will let us take the data from this window here and it will let us put the data here in this window. So we will go and select the body with the HTML tags, and then we will click on save and send test request. So here you can see the HTML tags are gone and we only have the text body left with us. Okay. Now what we are going to do here, I am going to put a router. Now why am I going to put router? Because I am making two different routes for two different projects. First project is Pabbly Connect, second one is Pabbly subscription billing. So I am setting first router for Pabbly Connect and second router for Pabbly subscription billing. Okay, so let me just copy this, go back, rename this here, Pabbly Connect router. Okay, update. And now what we are going to do, we are just going to go to set filter and actions. And here you can see event creator ID is 538619. Okay. But here we want message project ID because we are sending message. So here you can see message project ID is 578681. So what is this ID? When we will click on Pabbly Connect account, you can see here the ID is 578681. So we are just going to copy this 578681, copy this, go back, and here when message ID 578681 is equal to 578681, only then this automation will run and then it will go forward to our Google Sheets and Slack. So what I am going to do now, I am just going to take a Google Sheets here in my action step, and let me first open Google Sheets. Wait a minute. So here I have opened my Google Sheets and you can see here project, subject, description and created. Now what I am going to do, I am just going to go here and select my Google Sheets. First I'll just go for add new row, connect, and here I'll go on add new connection, connect with Google Sheets, and I'm going to select the account in which I have my Google Sheets. After that, I am just going to click on continue, and here you will see that my Google Sheets will be connected to my Pabbly Connect account here, and I am going to select this spreadsheet team, And here you can see project, subject, description, and created by. So now what I am going to do, I am just going to use one more time this mapping technique, and I am going to take the uh, data from my first window, which is present here above, and I'm going to put the data here. So what is the project? Project is Pabbly Connect. So I'm just going to write it down manually. After that, subject. So we are going to take subject from here. Subject was more action events. Description. So we have stripped HTML text from from data transformer. So we are going to take result in our description. This is the result. We need more action events in our Google Sheets. Kindly look at it ASAP. And created by. So created by is created by Hardik. And last name Pabbly. Okay. So created by Hardik Pabbly, and click on save and send test request. Now as soon as you will do that, you will see a new spreadsheet ID will come here, and in our spreadsheet we have this data. Okay. So Pabbly Connect, more action events. We need more action events in our Google Sheets kindly. And now you can read it up further. Now we have connected our Google Sheets successfully. Now it is time to connect our Slack application. So we will go for Slack here. And what we are doing in Slack, we are doing a send channel message. Then click on connect. After that, go for add new connection, connect with Slack. And here I am just going to put in user because we are going to use it as a user. So click on save. And now here you have to give authorization to Pabbly Connect. If you are not going to do that, your automation will not work properly. And let me tell you, your data with Pabbly Connect is absolutely safe, and we are not taking any chances with your data. Now here I have different channels in my Slack account. You can see Cognito Form, Fluent Form, General, Pabbly Connect channel, Pabbly subscription billing. So we are going to use Pabbly Connect channel. So we will go here. We will select Pabbly Connect channel, this one. And here we are going to map in the message. So message is more action events and description. Okay, we are not going to take description from this one. We are going to take description from filter. Sorry, not filter, data transformer. Okay, we need more action events in our Google Sheets, okay? And here I'm just going to type in manually, we have a new message. Now we are going to just click on save and send test request here because we do not want to use anything else here. So as soon as I will click on save and send test request, you can see a new message has been sent to our Slack channel, and here you can see we have a new message, more action events. We need more action events in our Google Sheets. Kindly look at it ASAP, as soon as possible. Okay. So we have done this for our Pabbly Connect project. Now what we are going to do, we are going to set up another router for our Pabbly subscription billing. So first I will set up the router, and then I will just go and make another entry. So what I am going to do, I am just going to copy this or clone this, I should say. And now what I am going to do, I am just going to rename it. So it's Pabbly subscription billing update. And now I am just going to set filter for this. So we are not going to change much here. The message ID will be equal to the message ID of the project. So the project is Pabbly subscription billing. And here we have to copy this ID, copy this, go back and paste it here, 583085. Okay. Click on save and send test request. And now obviously it is going to say error condition is false because this message project ID is different and this is different. But whenever this is equal to this one, a new message will go into this project. Now in Google Sheets, everything would be same. We are just going to change the name of the project, which would be Pabbly subscription billing. Message is same, description is same, event is same. Click on save and send test request. Okay. And now we are going to send channel message. So send channel message. We are going to change the channel here now. Just to refresh this. Channel is Pabbly subscription billing now. We have a new message. This is the same. This is the same. Now everything is the same. Click on save and send test request. Okay. Now here you can see in our Google Sheets, we have this by name Pabbly subscription billing, more action events, and the description is the same because we just set up our automation. Now it's time to, test this automation. So we will just go here. Let me just go to Slack as well and let me just show you that we have one message here also. Same message. Okay. Now we will go to teamwork. Again, plus message. And here, wait a minute. Let me just change the project. Okay, so I was in Pabbly subscription billing. Go to plus, then message, then here integration needed. Here I'm just going to write we need an integration between YouTube and Instagram. Okay, so this is the message here. Now what we are going to do, we are just going to click on post message and click on OK. Now as soon as I will do that, a new message will be created in your Google Sheets. You can see this is the project Pabbly subscription billing, and this is the details, integration needed. We need an integration between YouTube and Instagram. Okay. And when we will go to Slack channel, here you can see we have a new message, integration needed. We need an integration between YouTube and Instagram. So this is how you can connect your Pabbly Connect account with your Teamwork, Google Sheets, and your Slack. And this is how whenever you are going to have a new message on your Teamwork, automatically the messages will be sent to the router 1 according to the condition, and another message will be sent to the router 2 according to the condition. Let me just delete this one. We do not need this. And this is how you can make this workflow, and it can do wonders if you have a large team and if you want a different team to work on different kind of projects. This automation is for you. Now, if you want to use this automation directly into your account, you can just go into my description box and clone it into your account. But for that, you need to go and have an account. And for that, you need to go and sign up. So signing up is absolutely free, and we are also giving you 100 free tasks every month. So do not wait. Go and sign up now. Hasta la vista. So thanks a lot for watching our video. I hope you understood everything. Now, if you want any other events to added in our module, what you can do is you can mail us at admin@pabbly.com. If you have any queries regarding this software, you can just ask your queries at this website, at this link. And if you want to check the prices, you can visit here to this link and check the prices of the software. Now, I just want to tell you that automation is a boon for us, and it can change the future, and I will suggest you to take this as quickly as possible, which will ease your task, save your time, and save you a lot of efforts. Thank you.